Will you do the high five again, baby? Will you do the high five again? Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah! Alright guys, so it's Christmas Eve. We've got a Chinese takeaway coming and I haven't wrapped any presents, so I'm about to sit down and do that. And I'm also editing. I've just finished day 20 of Vlogmas, so I'm skipping day 21, didn't record anything. So I got 22 and 23 and 24 after I've finished filming this and the ending to go. So I don't think it's going to all be out by Christmas. But anyway, yeah, so I've just got to wrap up the presents. B had the most beautiful bath time and went down beautifully for bed. So I'm feeling good about that, and just going to start getting snuggled and start the celebrations very soon.
Oh, that's awesome. This is the way to look at Christmas lights.
Look, go on, put it in front then. Put it in front of the lens. That is insanely cool. Oh, that's brilliant.
Isn't that cool?
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. Next year all our troubles will be miles away. Once again as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Golden days of faithful friends who are dear to us will be near to us once more. Someday soon we all will be together, if the fates allow. Until then we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Okay, so this is Christmas Eve at the Ellis house. They do things very differently to what I know, and basically put out all the props. You can't play with the toys. They put out all the stuff the night before in piles of who they're for. Is that right?
I don't know. Let's
Okay. Stephen just makes up stuff on the spot, I swear. He was like, yeah, we do this every year. And I was like, really?
Well, they can do it, but it's,
Okay.
it's not hard and fast rule.
Okay. I just really quickly want to show you Stephen's card. How pretty is it? It's like a very little advent calendar, and it sits up like this around a candle. And I managed to write a message in it, but it's a bit of a really hardly written. So, yeah, I guess we're ready for Christmas Day. And these are our stockings this year. Okay, everybody, this is the end of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for being an amazing audience as always, for all your lovely messages, for your support through pretty tricky times this month, and also for all your lovely comments for the fun times. We are going to wrap a few more presents and then watch Muppets Christmas Carol, and I'm going to finish editing Vlogmas and hopefully get it all done by Christmas Day. And Hobbs, you are going to have your advent calendar. So it's the 24th, Christmas Eve. It's a big one. It's a really big one. Did he have his Smarties this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this?
He's getting quite large, isn't he?
What's this?
I'm pretty sure throughout Vlogmas he's getting bigger and bigger. Dabbles and treats. Here you go, Hobbs. Shake to your daddy. Shake. And shake to your mummy. There you go. Alright everybody, have a very, very Merry Christmas. We love you lots and we'll see you next year. Bye.